What's going on, guys? Mr. Redstone here, and today in this video I've been opening up this random team up pack that I didn't weigh, and I just chose it randomly out of like another 100 packs or so. Anyway, let's get started with the video. So since I found that last video, like they're really hard to open with my hand, so luckily I have my scissors with me. So cut. There. Here are the cards. Card trick. Furrow seed, Pancham, and Nidorino. Nothing good this time, but like last time I just got reverse where I technically made my money back. This time it's literally I didn't get anything good, but anyway, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.